2. Now, I want you to caution yourselves to read what it tells you to do in these spots here. Step 1, rewrite the log in exponential form using x as the variable. That's the part we don't know. That means all of these should be equal to x, equal to x, equal to x, equal to x. So go ahead and write that in on your foldable. Okay. 2, get a common base on both sides of the equation. Before you can actually solve this, you need to go ahead and rewrite it in exponential form. The thing about exponents, guys, and logarithms, you have to be able to flip back and forth between them. So looking at A, okay, and I do my loop-de-loop, I have 7x equals 343. If I rewrite it as an exponent. Now, what that means is I'm trying to find some form of 7, okay, power of 7 is what I'm looking for. So that means I'm going to say 7x is equal to, now I'm going to use my calculator and I'm going to figure out, oh, if I do 7 times itself 3 times, I get 343. That means that x must equal 3. Right? Let's go down to B. Okay. B says, I have log base 10. Remember that, okay, because that's a base that's not written. Do my little flip. Okay, so this is 10 to the x is equal to 0.001. Remember, over here, it said get a common base. This is where you're going to have to do a little bit of calculator work. What power of 10 gives me 0.001? Well, what power of 10 does that is a negative power, because this is 10 to the negative 3. So x must equal negative 3. Okay? Now C. Right? My base is 1/3. 1/3 to the x is equal to 729. Now, my base, I can rewrite this. My base is really 3 to the negative 1 raised to the x. 729 is really 3 to the 6th power. So this means using the rules of exponents right there says if I raise a power to a power, this is really 3 to the negative x, which is equal, all right, so negative 1x is equal to 6, and I solved that little exponent question. You know, I solved that little one-step equation by dividing both sides by negative 1. I get x is equal to negative 6. Right? And all these problems where you have bases, we run into those situations. Now, I'm just going to write the rest of the answers down. I expect to see the work on your paper. So in this case, I should have 16 to the x equals 8, which is going to give me x equaling 3/4. This is 27 to the x equals 1/9, which will lead me to x equaling negative 2/3. Okay. F, I have e to the x is equal to 1/e cubed, which will lead me to x equals negative 3. And y'all, if you don't show me work, I'm not going to take it. Okay, this again is log base 10, so this is 10 to the x is equal to 10 to the 12th power. Obviously, x is equal to 12. This is 8 to the x power equals 128. X is going to equal to 7/3. And this last one is 1/5 raised to the x is equal to 1/3125. I will work this one for you. So this is 5 to the negative 1 of x is equal to 5 to the negative 5. So this means 5 to the negative x is equal to 5 to the negative 5. So x equals 5. And that's all for example 2. Please make sure you show your work when you turn this in. I appreciate that. Thank you.